So we are Engineering Industries Excellence. We are going to show you a demo of how you can use artificial intelligence in your manufacturing execution. We'll show you two types of AI being used in the manufacturing execution. First part, the Agentic AI. Second part, the Vision AI. Both systems allow us to make sure that the processes are ensured. You do some process improvement, process insurance. You make sure that the quality is better. You make sure the operator is more efficient in his work. And also you can embed some checks on, for example, wearing the right safety clothes. If one of these elements have not been met, then the production order cannot continue. So the first part that we will show here is an agentic AI. So the operator will simply create a production order by talking to the system. So he doesn't need any training to create such a production order, such as Darshan did here. And the production order will be created and the printer will print a label with the serial number of the product to be produced, the SFC, to use the semantics in SAP Digital Manufacturing. So this is a unique number to identify the finished product in SAP Digital Manufacturing. Then we will have to select the right order in SAP Digital Manufacturing. And we will do that simply by showing the number to the Vision AI camera. And it will then select the right production order. You will see that the right production order will be highlighted on top in the screen of SAP DM there. As you can see, that's what happens there. Now you need to start the production order. And in order to start the production order, the system needs to detect if there is enough stock in front of the shop floor. This will again happen with simple vision check on the stock area in the production area. You see that the beacon light turns green on top, which means yes, there is stock, we can start the production. And then of course, as I said, we could include some additional checks like is the operator wearing the right safety clothes? Is he assembling the product correctly? So you do process enforcement. You make sure that the operator cannot make any error in the production area. So he will assemble now a car and you see that the system detects that the car is assembled in a correct way. Second step here after the production is you need to decide whether you complete the production order or you scrap the product. Now, just for the simulation case here, we will show you the scrap. And my colleague Darshan will now remove the tires and you will see that the system detects that the tires are removed and the reason code is tires missing for the scrap. So again, you make sure that the operator doesn't have to make a manual entry saying what the reason was for the scrap. The system, the artificial intelligence behind the system in SAP Digital Manufacturing makes sure that the right reason code was detected just by observing optically what's wrong with the product. And also you get, because of that, a much more accurate reporting in an OEE report.